What's up, Gerardi Performance fam? This video is going to show you how to properly and most accurately measure and count your macros. Alright, so first thing is the food scale. Okay, you can get one of these on Amazon or Target for just maybe $15. You should never spend more than $20 on the food scale. You want to be sure your scale can be weighed in grams there. Okay, so you'll see a G. That's part number one. For the nutrition labels, these are oats. You want to go off of the serving size, and you don't want to go off of what it says. Half cup dry, ignore that. You always go off of the grams, and I'll show you why after. So all of what you see down here now is based off of one serving, which is 40 grams. So in 40 grams, you'll have 5 grams of protein. You'll log that in your MyFitnessPal. 27 grams of carbs, and this is all based off of that one serving. Here's how to measure it. All right, so you'll notice you always start out in grams, like I said. And then once you put your measuring utensil on there, it's obviously going to go up in weight. So what you want to do before you start pouring oats in or whatever you're measuring is to tare it, okay? And that's going to set it back to 0. So now we're going to pour in 40 grams of the oats. You see it goes up here. Keep on going. And don't have to go exactly to the gram. If it's 1 or 2 over, it's okay. So now you see here that this is 40 grams of your oats. Boom. Alright, so peanut butter is super important and what may trick a lot of people up, so watch this closely. The serving size says 2 tablespoons, which is right here, okay? But do not go off of that. I'll show you why. Alright, so the reason why is because you can get a heaping scoop like this, which is obviously more than a tablespoon. And so you want to go, again, based off of these grams. So first thing, when you put on the spoon on the scale, make sure you tare it so it says 0. Then with the same spoon, pick it up. Then you're going to put it on. So now it's only going to account for the weight of the spoon. So this is 20 grams, right? And we said that a serving is 32. So I can put a little bit more on here. All right. So again, don't go off the 2 tablespoons. Go off of the amount of grams. This is already 1 tablespoon. It already shows 20. Okay. In one serving, which is 32 grams, these are the nutrition facts for it. And lastly, guys, ground meat, really any meat, you want to weigh this before it's cooked. So as you can see here, serving size is 4 ounces or 112 grams. Ignore the ounces, you want to go into grams. So when you have your measuring cup here and you pour the ground turkey, a chicken, whatever it is into the measuring cup, once it's tared, you're going to measure 112 grams of that, and that's 1 serving. Then from there, guys, you're going to put that info into MyFitnessPal.